Hi, my name is Wendelin, and I'll be doing my presentation on the white hole. The origin of the white hole. The black hole had been described to come from the Big Bang, and the Big Bang being the start of a new universe. And the proposal of a white hole was first said in the late 18 1980s, which might be interpreting as just as shedding some of the light of nature's classic white holes. Researchers have also said that the formation of black holes form in the core, which also reflects the result of the white hole. Einstein's theory of gravity also propels this theory of white holes coming from black holes when he described the symmetry of a connection regarding the part of diagonal variables that are connected and formed within that black hole. Um, as said before, there was also a suggestion made when the white hole was discovered that the Big Bang itself was a white hole. But however, the white hole would be considered a small bang instead of a big bang, but it has similar context of how this massive explosion was created. And then later, the Big Bang itself had had the Big Bang itself, although as a white hole, unlike black holes, cannot be continuously observed. So this effect is only detected only around itself as an event. And this was discovered in 2012, 8 years ago, and most recent in 2014. The idea of Big Bang being produced by a supermassive white hole explosion was explored by a framework of five-dimensional vacuum by Matrice Aguilar. The ultimate black hole, the the white hole is a hypothetical region of space-time and singularity. And like black holes, the white hole has properties like mass, charge, and angular momentum. They attract matter just like any other masses, but objects falling apart like a white hole would never actually reach the white hole's event horizontally. Also, it could be said that these white holes, they can't be entered from outside, but light can escape it. So this light is purpose why the white hole is a white hole. Um, in quantum mechanics, the white hole emits radiation and so come to thermal equilibrium with gas of radiation. Because of this thermal state, uh, there Stephen Hawking speaks about time re- reversal. And what is also included into this ultimate white hole, Einstein Einstein's field equation of E equals mc squared also collaborates into what the white hole is. The formation of a white hole is generally created by a gravitational collapse, as said before, like of the Big Bang, how there was a massive explosion that created this new universe that we live in today. And so this is how white holes are actually, but of a smaller explosion that come from massive, supermassive um e- explosion. So as said before, there is some similarities and differences between the white hole and the black hole. It is some say that the the black hole has a reflection, and that reflection comes out as the white hole that I'm speaking of today. And so, um, this again goes back to that theory of general relativity that was born in that equation spoken about black holes. And some theorists have been asking about whether these two holes are of space-time and have the same, are just one part of each other. Um, Physicians have described that white hole as a black hole's time reversal, which which is also another way of saying how um it's just a mirror. The white hole is just a mirror of the black hole. And so objects inside the white hole, as I said before, can leave and interact with the outside world, but since nothing can get in, opposite of a black hole, because when something goes into a black hole, it can't come out. The interior is cut off from the universe's past. So no outside event will ever have an effect inside.